Hey everyone, this is Shelley from Three Kittens Needle Arts. I am coming to you today to talk about our Date Night Cowl, which is our 2019 Shop Hop crochet pattern. There's a few things that you need to know to be successful in your cowl. The first thing and the foremost thing is you need to make sure that you chain your base very loosely. A looser base is going to give you a stretchier cowl and it's going to make it nicer for you. The sample that we have in our Shop Hop colors, the chain was much tighter, so it doesn't have as much stretch and give. The one that we originally designed, that base chain is much stretchier and it has a lot more give to it. So crochet loosely on that chain. So now I'm going to show you how to put your Moebius together. It's a little bit different concept, and if you haven't done it yet, it may be a little bit confusing. So I've done a sample foundation row. I didn't obviously do it as long as what you're going to crochet for the cowl, but we didn't need that. So what I've done is I've marked my top row, the end stitch with a green stitch marker, the beginning stitch with a green stitch marker. The bottom I did with an orange, and it has a corresponding stitch marker at the bottom. So what we've got here at the end, I've got what is my turning chain, my turning stitch. So I've got my top of my stitch, my bottom of my stitch. So to put this together, we stretch it out, make sure it's nice and flat. Then we're going to bring it around like this. We've got our ends, and we want to pair up an orange with a green and an orange with a green. We're going to take our working yarn and slip stitch to the green, if it'll let me. And then I've got my chains to hold it. Then we're going to take our tail and we're going to secure that to the orange one over here. And when you do this, it doesn't have to be perfect because you're going to go back and crochet over it. You just want to hold it tightly. But the look will be cleaned up once you get your crochet into it. So when you finish it, it's all together. And if you look at it, this is your starting point. If you follow around the edge, you end up on the other side with the tail. And then we come back around. Keep going, you're back to your start. So your rows go all the way around and come back to the start. And that's how it's crocheted. If you have any questions or you need any help, give us a call, stop into the shop. We can help you because we want you to be successful in this. So, have a great day and happy crocheting!